In this tutorial, we're going to talk about one of the more common things that our instructors have to do in Moodle. We're going to add a file to a Moodle course. So first, I'm going to turn my editing on in the upper right-hand corner. Now, at the bottom of each block, you'll see Add a Resource and Add an Activity. I'm going to choose Add a Resource. From that menu, I'll pick File. First, of course, I need to give my file a name. I'm going to write a brief description of my file. And notice that if I'd like to display my description for students, I can check the checkbox to make it display on my Moodle course page. Now it's time to actually add the file, so I'm going to click Add in the Content block. This pulls up my File Picker square menu, and I have some choices here. I can upload a file directly, which is an easy, quick way to do it. I can pull from any recent files that I've added to my course, or I can pull from my private files. If you're uploading a file that you'd like to use often, I suggest putting it into private files by going through the same steps we'll go through here as we upload a file. Okay, so in Upload a File, I'm going to browse. At this point, this should look pretty familiar. And generally, a syllabus might be what I'm pulling up, but in my case, I'm going to grab just any file. How to create a voice thread is a good one. I'm going to open. I'm going to give this a name, although it'll let me pull it up. It'll let me enter it without giving it a name. And I'm going to upload the file. Okay, you'll see my file here. If I'd like, I can create a folder into which I can put this file along with other files. In this case, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and save and return to course. That's it. You've added a file. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some folders as well. So let's go back to the Add a Resource menu and choose Folder. I'm going to give my name, I'm going to give my folder a name and a description. Okay, and again, of course, I can display this on the page if I'd like. And now I'm going to create my folder. Give my folder a name here, and OK. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to add. For this one, I'm going to choose a recent file. We'll just take that VoiceThread document again and select. And now we've got our folder that contains our VoiceThread document. Now I'm going to save and return to course once again. And we'll now see at the bottom of my top block my file that I've uploaded and my folder. If you have any questions about putting files or folders into your Moodle course, just let us know in eLearning. Thanks.